Okay, everyone. So, as you know, Alex and I just bought a new house, and I'm going to take you on a house tour. So this is our back porch, actually. Let me show you our yard. Here's some of the yard. That's our driveway right there in our garage. Got yard that goes all the way around. We can come out here and I'll show you too. Over here, we've got a patio and a fire pit. There's our truck. Hi, truck. Okay, so let's go inside. Okay, so right off of this entryway, make sure the doors are shut. We've got this nice little shoe bench area. We're gonna use this kind of as like a mud room. I think we're gonna end up putting a door here. Here we've got a laundry room. And we walk right into the kitchen. Ignore all the moving stuff. We started bringing some stuff in. It's on the table, and there's some random boxes like this for furniture. But here's our home. Got a lot of cabinets here. We've also got all of these cabinets. Okay, so we'll go this way. Furniture. We have a formal dining room. Ignore all of this stuff, please. I should have filmed this when it was truly empty, but I did not. This table the sellers actually left for us and gave to us as, I don't know, I guess kind of a gift. Here is our living room. You see, very open, very bright. We like it. We brought with a lot of our living room furniture. I'll walk you over here. This is our other entryway, our front door. We had to replace one of the doors. Some nice closet space. I'm thinking I want to put like a cube shelf or two in here just to make sure that we have enough space for our shoes and all of that. Okay, so I don't know what just happened to the video, but that's fine. So there, this goes back to the kitchen. There's the basement door. We're not going down there. Creepy. Here we have a mirror. Hello. And we have a closet for some jackets. Then we're gonna go upstairs. So this is a 3-bedroom house. The bathroom is right here, but Alex is in there, so we won't go in there. This is most likely going to be our office, but we're not really sure yet. We have a pretty large closet. It actually has a light. That's pretty all right. We'll go to the next bedroom. Here, built-in, oh, you can see my shadow. Built-in cabinets, kind of like a linen closet. Here, there's a blanket for our guest bed. This is going to be our guest room. This one also has a very large closet, has a light. So here's this closet. There's some extra like supplies and stuff in there. Extra carpeting, they redid all the carpets. The owners before us did. And the last bedroom. This is the master bedroom. This will be our room. We aren't moving any of that this weekend though. It's just a lot. We have a king size bed, so it won't fit. There's a walk-in closet. This door goes out to a balcony, but we're not going to use that, so we'll just ignore that for now.